Let's take a look at the list. So, obviously, we rebuilt our battery tray with proper gussets. I'm very happy with that today. Let's see here, anything else? Well, not really. But I do have to say, we got a lot done in this episode. It was completely different than what I said last time. I apologize on that. But I am pretty pleased of how everything turned out. So this battery tray definitely is not going anywhere this time. Now that we got a gusset underneath, it's just a little piece of angle iron welded on the underside. And of course, welded to the frame. I did pretty good on that. I almost did not do this because as you saw the first attempt, I didn't weld it on pretty good, but I persisted and then just tried again. And I'm pleased with this so far. It's not, and we might try to put a bolt in it, but as you probably saw in the last clip there, it's not really going to bolt efficiently just yet. And I kind of want to keep it just like this, just as a test, just to see what happens. If it breaks off, then, well, we could try again or just clean it up, we'll see. But the one I almost pretty much done goofed on was our, what is the thing called again? Barrel adjuster holder. So I had it where this was facing that way, and that meant that this would bolt on there and the cable had to run vertically 90 degrees, and that's not really efficient. So I quickly fixed that. I cut up a new piece and then I just tried again, and this is looking much better. It's very minimalist and it'll get the job done perfectly. So yeah. And now, given that you also saw when welding this on that I was burning holes or burning through the metal pretty crispy, I turned the amperage down to like 90 or something like that. I'm gonna refrain from actually welding on our two brackets that bolt here, just to be safe and sorry. But for the next time, we will actually check the leveling of our frame here, and then we will get ready to tear this thing down for paint, and then maybe start working on reassembling it, or I can just be filming it or filming stuff ready for the next video after that anyway, because I need to get ready to go there tomorrow we'll be heading out to my dad's because he has a level garage. I can't do it here because it's uneven, but because we're on a slope. So, but yeah, I'm looking forward to that tomorrow, and I'll see you guys then. Peace.